All right, we are waking up to a beautiful morning here. Sun is shining, finally, blue skies. It is a chilly morning this morning. I put my little thermometer outside. Let's see, it is showing 20 degrees Fahrenheit right now. So it cooled off a little bit last night. We're kind of down this little valley by the Cumberland River. And I do have the diesel heater on inside. I'll kind of give you a glimpse or a little idea of what it sounds like outside. Kelly's van is running next to me, but just a little bit of a whirring noise coming from the muffler there. And there's a ticking from the fuel pump. So it does just make a little bit of noise. Like Kelly says, she can hear it from inside her van when it's running. Then I'll show you the heater on the inside. I've got mine mounted and not enclosed in anything, so you hear a little bit of noise from the fan. But it really does the trick. I had that on since about 3 a.m. this morning, and it got down to about 34 in the van when I woke up, and I turned that heater on and it's been running ever since, and it got up to about 58 in here. Okay, it is go time. It's a little tight in here. I'm gonna have to figure out how we can get out of here. Boxed ourselves in. So we're going to continue south into Tennessee and visit the rest of this part of the park, the big South Fork National Recreation Area, and get a campsite there. There's a lot more hiking trails, so that's the plan. We're going to head that way. It is great to see blue skies and sunshine, that is for sure. Actually really loving the snow. It really has changed the look of everything. This time of year in the fall, there's a lot of bare trees and brown, so having that nice dusting of snow really just makes everything look all that much nicer. And honestly, I would rather be cold than hot. The cold really isn't bothering me much at all. We get out hiking, we just dress for it. As soon as we get moving, it's really tolerable. And there hasn't been any heavy snow that's caused any problems on the road, so this type of cold I can totally do. It's been wonderful. It's off season, so there's no crowds. Just loving it. We're gonna hit the highway. Away we go. Alright, here we are coming into Tennessee, the volunteer state. Hello Tennessee, goodbye Kentucky. Man, I had a nice day in Kentucky. I will be back. Looking forward to Tennessee. Well, we made it into the park here. We figured since it's nice and sunny out, we'd get right out on a trail. So we're going to this old farmhouse. I think it's John Lighton farmhouse. Yeah. Oh, looks like we made it up to the John Lighton farm. Not a bad little spot to have a little farmstead. Don't know if these doors are open. Looks like they are. Let's go in. Oh wow, there's probably not any mice in here. Look at this. Neat. Whoa, these floors are a little sketchy. It's like in a little upper loft up here. They've got the stairs blocked off. Pretty neat. There's a door over here. This old stonework. Wow, this old saw blade. That's neat. Oh wow. Must be the old barn. Looks like maybe some horse stalls. Wow, there's a lot of old stuff here. Buckets and equipment. Neat. Go up these stairs here. Wow. Whoa, some of these boards are a little sketchy. Yep. Well, that was an absolutely beautiful hike. That was fun.
It's perfect hike.
So we're back from our hike and we're hungry, so we're going to do up a chicken soup. We're actually going to use canned chicken. We got some potatoes, carrots, onion, and garlic. And I've got a chicken bouillon cube in there. We're going to do it in the pressure cooker. Oh, and we're going to use a little bit of this fideo, this little pasta stuff. So let's see how it turns out. Almost forgot the celery. Dang, that's going to be good. Alright, that's our finished product. It is smelling good. I'll let that cool for a minute and give it the taste test. That seriously turned out really good. I cooked that for 6 minutes under pressure in the pressure cooker. The potatoes, carrots, celery are all like cooked to perfection. And actually that canned chicken is really good in there. And that little fideo pasta. This is going to be something I probably make more. Very, very good. Do you like it?
It's delicious.
It's good, huh?
And easy.
Yeah.
So easy.
Much better than doing it in a conventional just pot. You'd be simmering that for 20 minutes, 6 minutes in a pressure cooker.
Ain't nobody got time for that.